Hello guys and welcome to a new crypto video of the most beautiful music instrument there is, the crypto violin. Guys, I hope you have an amazing day and thank you for watching my video. Before we dive into the amazing content, I want to kindly remind you to like, subscribe and comment if you have questions. Comment in the comment section below and let's dive into the juicy content I have for you today. First of all, I want to tell you that mass adoption is on its way, and that's backed by this article from the Daily Hodl, and this was posted the 19th of September 2020. The article states, former Goldman Sachs executive says Bitcoin ETF will be approved, bringing billions into crypto market. Raoul Pal, former Goldman Sachs executive and hedge fund manager, says that Bitcoin is offering a rare opportunity for retail investors to get out and invest in the next big thing before institutional investors. He is completely right in this sentence, guys. I read once again. A rare opportunity for retail investors to get out and invest in the next big thing before institutional investors. We entered the market before institutional investors, guys, okay? With normal stocks, for example, Ripple stock is a private traded company, and privately traded company, they have only private investors, so we as ordinary people cannot go and invest in those companies. This is a rare opportunity where we, the ordinary people, can invest before institutional investors. It's amazing. Let's read further. In a YouTube interview with Jerry Hall, Paul says that the proper Bitcoin exchange traded fund, ETF, will be the catalyst that brings billions of dollars into Bitcoin and exponentially expand the market capitalization of the largest cryptocurrency. You're allowed to front run in Bitcoin, and I'm going to give you the biggest front running opportunity of your life. They will get the ETF across the line. There will be billions of dollars that pour into it. Every pension plan will allocate some money to it. Even family offices will allocate some money to it. And the more the price goes up, the more they will allocate, because the larger the market cap of Bitcoin is. This is an opportunity for retail to front run the institutions for once, as opposed to Goldman Sachs front running us. Pal says that for now, the big fund and institutions are trying to understand Bitcoin, but don't have an easy way to trade it yet. Just understand, the pension plan, the endowment, the family office, the registered investment advisors, they are so far trying to get their hands around Bitcoin, and they don't have a product to trade yet. So they passed the custody regulations in the US, so now banks can custody. This means prime broking is coming for hedge funds. Hedge funds will be the first into the space. That's clear. They, the RIAs, understand that this is interesting, but they can't do it. The regulations won't allow them to hold this digital asset. So this is a very interesting article. I want to read one last sentence with you guys together, and that was the following. Even family offices will allocate some money to it, and the more the price goes up, the more they will allocate, because the larger the market cap of Bitcoin. So I remember Mr. B, XRP, saying that he spoke with David Schwartz and asked him about the price of XRP, if it would go up steadily over time or it would spike up and have a bull run. And he said the problem with steadily over time is when it goes steadily, all the investors enter the space and it will not be steady anymore and the price will explode. And that's exactly what this Goldman Sachs executive is also saying. When everyone is steadily pouring money into this market, billions and billions, and they will buy even more. So this is very interesting, guys. Let's read another article. This article is from Cointelegraph.com, and the article states, new Bitcoin bullrun, whales and institutions accumulating, data shows. Data shows whales are not selling large amounts of Bitcoin at the current price, and institutions are accumulating BTC. As the price of Bitcoin breaks past $11,100 on September 19th, whale activities and backed all-time high volume suggest strengthening momentum. Okay, that sounds very interesting. According to crypto quants Ki Young Ju, I hope I pronounced that well, fewer whales have been selling BTC to exchanges. Historically, the data indicates less selling pressure from high net worth Bitcoin holders. Simultaneously, the daily volume of backed institutional focused Bitcoin future market achieved a record high. A record high, guys. Backed institution focused Bitcoin future markets achieved record highs. That is bullish, guys. $11,100 and we are still having record highs. We will see all-time highs soon. Mark my words. Operated by the ICE, the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange, BACT facilitates BTC trades for institutions. The Bitcoin whale activity and BACT record volume suggest that both whales and institutions could be accumulating BTC. That's what we want to hear, guys. They're accumulating. Bitcoin continues to retest $11,000 as market data hint at an optimistic trend. Whales and institutions have an immense impact on the Bitcoin price because of the size of their trades. One whale that sold Bitcoin over $12,000 after holding it for 2 years had around 9,000 BTC. At the current market price of BTC at $11,070, that's nearly 100 million USD. Considering the reduced risk of large sell orders, the declining appetite of whales to sell BTC is a positive factor, Kai says. Exchange whale ratio hits the year low, the fewer whales moving to exchanges, less dumping, making the higher BTC price. The data CryptoQuant is referring to is a board reserve of Bitcoin holdings of whales on exchanges. There are some whales that are selling at the current prices, as Cointelegraph previously reported, but the data shows that the majority of whales prefer not to sell at $11,000. The optimistic activity of whales coincides with a clear spike in institutional demand for Bitcoin on BACT. Okay, so guys, I suggest you read this article. It's very interesting. So the only thing I can say is that we are in a bull run, guys. The only thing I can say is that institutional investors and big whales are investing and they're holding and they're not willing to sell and they're accumulating. So we are in a bull run. The bull run is incoming and I want to congratulate you all by waiting throughout the bear market, and eventually the bull market had to come, guys, okay? We couldn't wait 30 years in the bear market, right? So this time is now. And if I look at my beautiful robo-advisor, it's told here, sell 3, hell, and now it gave me a beautiful buy one. And actually the 9-day moving average crossed the 20-day moving average, which is also very bullish. The last time it spiked up here and it was very amazing. So guys, what should I say? I think at least a 35% price increase is incoming, and we can see here a breakout and we see at least 22%. After this profit, be a smart trader and push it into XRP. That's what I did. I wanted to share my story with you, what I did in the previous bull run. I put my money in Bitcoin, and actually I was very lucky because I was not very long in the crypto market. I came in 2017, and actually in 3 months the bull run also occurred. So I was so lucky because I put my money in Bitcoin. My money quadrupled and that was amazing. And you know what I did, guys? You know, I will tell you a secret you wouldn't believe. Guys, I put this money that quadrupled, I put this in XRP. XRP was back then was 12 cents, guys. 12 cents. 12 beautiful itsy bitsy cents, guys. And I pushed this quadrupled money, my wallet, I pushed everything like a hungry dog. I put this in XRP, and you know what happened? XRP went to $3. You know what happened then? I became crazy. I didn't know what to do anymore. I didn't have the exit strategy and I was crazy. You had to see me then. And then what happened was that XRP went down and made a dive, and that's when I lost my mind. So be prepared, guys. That's what I want to share with you. Be prepared with a robo-advisor. You can have the 7-day free trial if you want. In my description below, you can have the 7-day free trial. If you like it, you can buy the full version. If don't, then you didn't lose anything. Don't cry, please, okay? And please comment down below if you have questions, like if you like the content I'm providing, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm your boy Crypto Violin. I want to continue making videos, so please give me the support, give me the love. I hope you had fun watching, and see you in the next bullish juicy video. Have a great day. Bye.